It's Thursday, March 12th.
That's accurate.
It's the eve before the eve of the first big event of the season.
Chill Hat was pretty big.
I guess.
Maybe not. It was just cool because it was local.
Warm up.
Shout out East 10.
Shout out East End.
Yeah, so we're going to the Chase Bay's Polecat 4th annual or 4th edition. I don't know if it's 4 years or 4th time.
Shout out Chase Base. We're excited to go Polecat. We've never been to Polecat. Apparently it's the bee's knees. So we're gonna find out real soon.
Yep, we're gonna roll out of here pretty early. But we've worked on cars all week. When we bought the stacker, the first time we ever loaded a car, we ripped all the metal trim out, fixed it today. Shout out Home Depot. Let's see, we got a new toolbox from Northern Tool today because we've been using Milwaukee Pack Out. Shout out Richard Petty edition.
It was on sale or something.
It was on sale, yeah.
It looks great.
Yeah, so we're excited. A lot of changes to the car. We've got the cages, which we had them at East End event, but
Yeah.
it's gonna be a pretty fast track, big track.
Elevation change, be
Yeah.
cool.
Cool things to anticipate. So, new tires this season. We've got X Comp. We did like a 60 tire order for the next month.
They all came from Brian with German Autosport.
We're really excited. Nathan actually ran them at the last event, so he was
Loved 'em.
very pleased with them. I'm
Super
really looking
grippy.
forward to trying them out.
Yeah,
Nathan made some mods to my wheels. They've been painted. I've got a gold set, a purple set.
a broken set, which I tried to weld today.
So
Anyway, we're gonna fix them soon.
we did dry ice on our interiors of our cars.
What time is it? 7:20. Eric's picking up the M3 right now.
Oh, he is picking it up. Is he going to Polecat?
We won't drive it a bunch. I do want to drive it some so I can figure out what little kinks we need to work out before Tampa.
Okay, so we'll see you there.
Take the floor, baby.
I'm done.
You're drawn. Checkpoint out.
Coolest. Behind the helmet stack right there.
I figured it was, that's why I was at. I didn't want to move it, so that's what it's gonna
No, yeah, you're totally good, man. Yeah, it's back in there.
You're good.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you, man. Have fun. Be
Oh,
safe.
we'll try. We sure will try. I can't believe I passed tech. Found out that the first thing that me and Nathan took out was the AC amp on this. Turns out that's what controls my gauges, so that's why I've never been able to know how fast I'm going. So I think the rule of thumb is I'm just gonna max out third gear, yank the e-brake, get an FD card. Three-step process. It's not easy. People don't understand it. People talking about clutch kicking, tandeming, manji, all this, blah, blah, blah. No, it's just balls. It's just, that's all it takes.
First thoughts.
It's hot. And I only brought my fire suit, and you have to wear long pants apparently, so I'm stuck in this for today. We're having fun. We've ran 3 or 4 laps, and the tow truck's been out there more than I have today. So we're hanging out, waiting for them to get off the track. But it's a big track. It's 2 miles long. My car's overheating, so driving park. So we'll see. Nathan, how's your day going?
I'm on fucking rails, buddy.
You've been ripping. I got scared when you came in hot that first
entry right here. Had to clutch kick twice to like get my speed back up,
Man.
get up the hill.
How fast are you going on that first stretch?
I'm afraid to look.
Yeah.
I can't get this turn 1 really good.
Yeah.
I don't have enough like inertia sideways because I'm not like edge turning it into it, so I'm gonna fix that.
You have to
Man.
counter steer.
Yeah. And then send it. So that's next.
Go ask Lewis how he's doing today.
Let's see.
How did that? I'm gonna teach you a valuable lesson in life real quick. All right, when you start being successful at anything, you're gonna have haters, and those haters are gonna prey on your downfall. And all I gotta say is pray harder, motherfucker, because I'm not tapping out yet. I may be covered in oil, I may be hammering a tie rod back in on my second lap, but we're coming back.
What'd you do?
Dude, I was killing it. I had total power loss.
No way.
Car completely. I mean, it was smoking like a motherfucker. So we're gonna see. I think I might have just overheated it.
Ah, okay. We'll take a look.
Yeah, it was looking real steamy in here for a minute.
Big Lou change curse strikes again.
Bro,
Oh, you think just
without breaking the car?
blew the coolant?
What?
Coolant
That
gone.
may be cool because it didn't. There's no knocks or anything.
Yeah.
It just bogged out power.
E92 shakedown.
Yeah, let's see how this goes.
What happened?
2 dogs in a pound, buddy.
Oh, God.
Bye-bye.
Goose and Alley for
God damn it.